Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Honda Civic gear oil, only way. Begin by parking the car level, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool so oil settles. Jack the car if needed and use stands for safety. Locate the fill plug on the transmission or differential and clean the area to avoid contamination before opening the plug to inspect fluid level and condition. In this video, I will explain how to check Honda Civic gear oil, only way. With the fill plug removed, use a clean finger or plug tool to feel the fluid level and texture. Healthy gear oil is clear or slightly amber, not milky or dark with metal particles. If level is low, top with the specified oil gradually, then recheck level and torque the fill plug to the correct spec. In this video, I will review how to check Honda Civic gear oil only way. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes keeping your garage and work area tidy effortless, with voice control and smart mapping that lets you focus on wrenching instead of sweeping. If you like this tip, subscribe and like the video, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with how to check Honda Civic gear oil, only way. When topping, use the correct grade and add with a pump until fluid reaches the fill opening, then let excess drain back. Clean the fill plug and threads before reinstalling, and torque to the recommended spec to avoid leaks. Check again after a short drive and re-torque if necessary, then clean up any spills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.